Very good morning, children. Today we will study about the delegation, which is a very important aspect of organizing. Now see what the delegation is. Delegation is the transferring of authority from me to my subordinate. अगर मैं किसी मीटिंग को अटेंड नहीं कर पाता तो मैं मेरे बिहाफ में, मेरी पोस्ट, मेरे डेजिग्नेशन के बिहाफ में अगर किसी को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए बोलता हूं तो आई एम डेलीगेटिंग माई अथॉरिटी. इट मीन्स आई एम ट्रांसफरिंग माई अथॉरिटी टू समबडी एल्स फॉर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Understood that the delegation is. Now delegation has three important elements. One is authority, second is responsibility, and third is accountability. Now see, authority means, as I said, I transfer my responsibility, my post, my designation to my subordinate. First of all, remember that delegation transfers from superior to subordinate, not from subordinate to superior. So I told my junior to attend a meeting on behalf of me. So I am giving him authority that he can go on behalf of me and play the role or responsibility of me. So what he is doing, he is playing responsibility on behalf of me. As I give him authority, it reflects back as responsibility. I have authorized you to do some work. Immediately, it will turn to the responsibility on you. Understood? And then once the responsibility is being sent to you, it turns to accountability. Accountability का मतलब है जैसे ही मैंने आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी, आप कैसा काम कर रहे हैं, कैसा नहीं कर रहे हैं, इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट टू मी और आई विल टेक माई फर्दर डिसीजंस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ हाउ यू डिड द वर्क. So whatever is my analysis for you is your accountability. Understood? So this is what the delegation is and the three elements of delegation, that is authority, responsibility and accountability. Now we will see the importance of delegation. So delegation is a very important aspect of any organization and these are the importance. What are the importance of delegation? Effective management, employees development, motivation, organizational growth, follows management hierarchy, better coordination and divides workload. So first we will see effective management. So effective management means a manager has a responsibility to tackle the work within a less span or period of time. So this is known as effective management. Understood? So delegation, if I am authorizing somebody as of my junior, so do the work, that is known as effective management. And once I transfer my authority to my subordinate and they manage to lead my job, then definitely it develops the employee and employee's professional ethics, professional skills, as well as it motivates the employee. So that out of the crowd of the employee, I selected one and gave my responsibility of work. So definitely it enhanced the motivation of an employee. Once the motivation of employee takes place, it creates a sensible atmosphere and a peaceful atmosphere in the organization, which further lead to the organizational growth. Then it follows management hierarchy. Management, it goes from superior to subordinate, not from subordinate to superior. When everybody works together with the division of work, it leads to the better coordination. Further, that when we divides the work, I have to go to the meeting, I cannot attend the meeting and I am saying somebody else to attend the meeting on my behalf, that is my subordinate. So definitely it will reduce my workload and at the same time more job responsibilities can be handled with the same span of time. So these are the importance of delegation. I repeat once more: effective management, employees development, motivation, organizational growth, follows management hierarchy, better coordination and reduce the workload or divides the workload. So this is all about delegation, its elements and importance. Thank you.